To consistently produce high-quality paper cups, choose NewTop Intelligent Paper Cup Machine. Today, we would like to introduce to you the features of NewTop-FB158S high-speed intelligent Servo paper cup machine. New Servo paper cup machine for making market cups, advertising cups, and thin small-size paper cups. Inheriting the stable and durable structure and parts craftsmanship of the past with servo motors and operation control system. High-end paper cups with paper thickness of 250 grams approximately. Output up to 180 pieces per minute. Stable, good quality. Produces 2.5 to 12 ounce cold and hot paper cups. This small-size paper cup machine is especially designed for small-size paper cups and the thin paper market. Ultrasonic drive is upgraded to servo drive. Single and double PE paper cups can be made. NewTop-FB158S appearance upgrade double leaf glass door. Exquisite and simple. Now, with single rotating paper suction as standard. Presses control of paper suction output stability. New triple hot air of the bottom makes the bottom of the heating more fully. To ensure that the bottom of the bonding tightly, double cooling station makes the paper cup forming more perfect. New Debao strive for excellence, following the field of paper cup machine for 24 years, with the spirit of craftsmanship, the pursuit of high quality, with the concept of technology leadership. Every time to create new value for the customer to work hard. Stable, durable, good quality. NewTop Intelligent Paper Cup Machine makes the work so simple.